Assalamu alaikum, brothers. So as expected, I told you, brothers, that we'll be doing this challenge, $100 to $100,000 inshallah. But it all depends, brother, because there are so many things in here. It's like our psychology, the first thing. Second thing is like our temperament. Say like if we get a good setup, then what gonna happen next? Like, will we hold? How long we hold, even if it's a high potential trade? Or firstly, will we follow the dollar amount? So here is the thing, brother. As we see by Alex's challenge, at that time, the very first trade, if you brothers remember, the very first trade was a JPY trade. I can't exactly remember which one it is. Maybe USD JPY, and it was in the top level or area of interest, and it dropped a lot from there, and luckily he got into from $100 to 400 something dollar. So for us, at the very beginning, from $100 until we reach $1,000, we have to focus on, brother, dollar amount. Okay, brothers, because dollar amount will give us more leverage in future if we have more dollars in our account, right, brother? So that's why the very first trade we will be taking here, brother, has to be very, very careful and very much high potential. So okay, brother, so saying that, let's start what I'm thinking, what I'm going to do. So as so for the first trade, actually I already took this trade in my one of the challenge account, and I got like 1:2.5 here in M30, and this trade I actually took last week, brother, and then the market closed. I forgot to close the position, but luckily from the very first moment it started going to my direction, and it hit my TP in at the beginning of morning today. So but actually, to be honest, if I started the week, I wasn't taking this trade from the very first time, right? So I would have waited till this does this like market shift of structure, then retracement and engulfing, and then so right now it's doing the same thing. We have a shift of structure. So let me give you the whole view, like why I'm taking this trade or what. Actually, you all know, brothers, this is a huge drop, and then 3 weeks of retracement, and at the this level is very, very important, brother. It's a shift of structure, and it's a previous market structure. So many things happening here in weekly. But if we go to the daily, brothers, you can see, brother, here it's a very important level. How many touch we have? One big elbow touch, 2 3 4 5, and this also respected, and it's a huge rejection in daily. So the way I treated the market, definitely, brother, I try to stay with the longer time frame trend line, and 100% not trend line, sorry, brother, longer time frame trends. So weekly and daily here is bearish. That's all I need, brother. I don't mind whatever the H4 is doing or H1. This time frame I always look just because of entry, brother, like we know from the strategy. So even if we go to H4, it's a clear sign, brother. If you guys see here, okay, let me draw it from here. It's a higher, it's a higher high, higher low. Market structures, and then it's a new higher high, and then this will be lower high because it just changed the structure. So the H4 is also bearish, which is a good sign, brothers, right? So definitely we'll be taking short here. You can see the entry was very small, but the high potential is here. So 1:17 in terms of M30s risk reward. But for sure, for the challenge account, brothers, we will be targeting this range, and because definitely, brother, market doesn't drop all the time in the same direction, right? It always goes back, retrace, and then drop, retrace, and then drop. but in the meantime we have to take our profit, because this is a very important level in H4. And as I said, brothers, we will be targeting on the dollar amount for till we get our $1,000. Before that we will be just focusing on the dollar amount, and for $100 account, brother, I will risk like 50% of it, and I'll try to see like how much actually, how big lot I can take. That's the first thing I'm going to do, and definitely, brother, I will share inshallah everything with you. And there is nothing to hide here, brother. If I blow it, we'll blow together. Inshallah, we will not. We will be doing it with proper diligence. No bullish, no bullshit trade, brother. We will be doing with our analysis. You will also share your analysis, brother. What do you guys think? And if you have any questions, anything, brother, just share with me. I'm happy to answer. I'm not that much active in social platform, but definitely, brother, the goal is to what? The goal is to be rich, inshallah, together, right? And we will get rich together, and we'll help our Muslim brothers or anybody who comes to us together, and we'll do a lot of donations, inshallah, in future. If we have so much money, we'll do a lot of sadaqah jariyah, brother, inshallah. So okay, let's go back to what I was thinking, brother. So here it's a completely H4 also turned bearish, so I will change my thing here. H4 to be bearish, it will be 30%, and then right now it's obviously 70%. All you need engulfing and retest to enter. We'll add 10%, then it will be 80% probably trade. And definitely, brother, I really want this to be this perfection. 80% we can risk our money, we can, because it's inshallah, it's a very good analysis, it's a good potential, brother. I would say this area of interest is respected so many times, rejected as well. You can see 1-2 times rejected, it's dropped, it gave a really big push today, and definitely we didn't take that position. Obviously, why should I? But this will make more sense, brother. You see, even if we go to H1, it's a head and shoulder pattern as well, so this will be the neckline, and looks like market is not pushing that much, but brother, I will definitely see the movement here. If it comes here, you see, brother, I already put an alert and I look for entry. So what is the entry signal, brother? Engulfing. As soon as we get here, we see a bearish engulfing, brother, we are in. All we need, brothers, is like this. Sorry, brother, I'm not that good at drawing. And then any retracement, just inshallah will enter. That will be our target. So inshallah we will try something here, but what if it does here? What if it does the engulfing here? That's much better, brother, inshallah, right, brothers? What we see something here, then 100% our entry will be very clean, inshallah, brother. We will inshallah take this trade together. And another pair I'm looking, brother, is GBP New Zealand dollar. This is also ready, brother. So let me share my analysis, brother, why I think this will be a great trade, because you can see the trade is like meeting us for, so okay. Sorry, my father. Okay, brother, so the reason we are looking at this trade, brother, you can see it's a previous structure point, one touch, we can consider this 1, 2 touch, 3, 4 touch, and yes, brother, if we little bit, but I don't mind sometimes weeks. I know body is important, but if it weaked out, that is also proves this level is very, very important level. So as I said, brother, I don't consider this type of pullback as a elbow. As per analysis strategy, we learned which one is elbow, which one is clear, which one is clear elbow, which one is not a clear elbow. So this whole leg, whole push, brother, I will consider this whole push as one push. So that's it, brother. So definitely then we will look for buy here. So right now, brother, what we are saying, let's check weekly bullish. I already marked this. This is also high potential trade. I'm telling you, brothers, very high potential trade. As per weekly, definitely there's nothing much on area interest wise, okay, but daily has lots of activities, because weekly already pushed so back so much to the down, and this is the area of interest. I am expecting some moving, and inshallah, brother, it will happen. And I really loved this trade. You see, brother, it's a daily bullish engulfing, and then it never broke. Actually, it never even tried to retest or weak someone. Even if anybody entered any trade previously here, they made their profit. Even H4, brother, will see it's a what we see, brothers. Yeah, if we consider these, then definitely H4 is a bearish, but as I said, brother, daily and weekly is bullish. That's all I need, brothers. That's all we need. Inshallah, we'll get this trade. So now what is happening here, shift of structure happened, and even if anybody has taken this trade, this already gave a lot of money, and it's retesting back. So so our goal, I put an alert here, same thing. Inshallah, we'll say look for engulfing, and inshallah, if we get an engulfing, brothers, here, then retest, entry. That's all, brother. That's all we need, inshallah. And you might say, like, why this is much? As I said, brother, for the first few trades, we're looking at dollar amount. Even if, brother, you see a good amount you accumulated when you took a trade, and you see there are a lot of money, I mean, even if say like 30 cents of lot by here, let me mark it. Select, brother, 30 cents of lot we took, and by here we see the dollar amount, the $300-400 we earned. Close it, brother. Or you can hold it, but as I said, brother, for 100 to 1000 we have to be very careful, very, very, very careful, because this is the moment we can blow our account, right, brother, just because of getting more. Because what if a news event happened? Though I haven't checked yet any news event, I will share later. If I see any impactful news, definitely, brother, we will keep in touch all together. These three of us today, I see only 3 people we are. Inshallah, I will three brothers we will trade together for now. But anybody wants to join later, they can. But okay, what I was saying, brother, any news event, we might consider it closing early with less profit also. This thing we will keep doing, brother, inshallah, till we get a good handsome amount from 500 to 1000. That gives a good amount of money to take huge trade for $1000 to $5000 or to $3000, something like that. And the goal is to, brother, every week double up your account like Alex is doing, and we'll focus on that. But the very first weeks are very important. Definitely we are not 100%, but I am also not that much experienced. It's just trading with this strategies. I started at December last year, so almost 7-8 months. So definitely this will teach us a lot of patience, experience, give us a lot of experience, chart time, everything. And I'm trading forex since 2022. So whatever experience I have, brother, I will share. I will give everything to you, brothers, and we'll inshallah make it to success. So yes, brother, so these are the 2 trades, very important, GBP and TED. our entry point is here, and JPY, our entry point is here. And last but not the least, NZUSD. I was checking this trade, but this is not high. Actually, it is high probable trade because this is clear break of in AOI. You can see this area of interest is broken completely. So the next is like previous structure point is here, so we are expecting a push like here and then go up. That's the basic of this trade. And same thing, you can see a whole time frame bullish, and I marked is need following. Daily AOI is not here yet. CSR means candlestick rejection, not here yet. Retesting previous structure point, not here yet. So these all things we need to have this trade perfect. And if you go to 30 minutes, once this trade comes here, we have to see a lot of activities, brothers. We have to see something like this. This might go here, here. We are not still convinced, but as soon as it does like this, comes back, then create our entry signal like bullish engulfing, and then it happens like this, then we can consider a trade from here, brothers. So this is as straightforward as possible. Then it will be our trade, inshallah. So I hope it makes more sense, brothers. But don't worry about this trade, I will keep you posted, brothers. Just look at for now GBP and JPY, and then inshallah we'll get into one of these. And 100%, yes, it's $100, so definitely we can take a lot of trades. We will be getting into one of these both are high potential. Whichever gives us the entry signal on the screen, you can see, brothers, we'll go for it. Okay, and I'll keep you posted. Inshallah we'll make it. Thank you so much, brother, and assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.